Hello everybody, this is Yin Hao here. In this video, we will take a look at the TCC final wooden cups and balls set, both the standard and the mini. This was a Kickstarter project in December 2021 and was delivered sometime around April 2022. These are also now available on the TCC website. The first thing you see is this very nice storage case. As you open the lid, there is a card with the tutorial link and password. You are then greeted with this very nice display of the standard size wooden cups and balls. As far as the presentation is concerned, TCC did a very nice job. The case is super nice. If for some reason you don't care for the wood cups, you can even reuse this case to store your more prized sets of cups. The standard cups and balls contain 3 wooden cups and 3 solid cups. The cups are a combo set, meaning one of the cups is gimmicked. The cups have a rounded Paul Fox shape. Along with the cups, you get 4 red 1-inch regular working balls and 4 gimmicked balls. These came with the Kickstarter campaign rewards, but I am not sure what balls you will receive if you purchase this from the TCC website. But more on the balls later. The mini set is the same. You get the very nice case, which stores and displays the 3 mini cups, 4 regular working balls, 4 gimmicked balls, and the 3 matching solid cups very nicely. According to the Kickstarter page, the standard cups are made of an unspecified mixed wood and are stained to mimic rosewood. The mini set is made of rosewood. Here are some close-ups of the cups. Each cup has its own unique grain, so every cup is not exactly identical. However, this is not noticeable from a distance. The cups feel very lightweight as expected from the material used. The standard cups weigh between 52 and 58 grams each. The mini cups weigh between 12.5 and 13.5 grams each. The height of the standard cups is about 7.3 centimeters. It has an outside mouth diameter of 8.1 centimeters and an inside mouth diameter of around 7 centimeters. The height of the mini cups is approximately 3.7 centimeters, and it has an outside mouth diameter of 4.2 centimeters and an inside mouth diameter of 3.4 centimeters. Despite looking similar in size to the TCC artistic cups and balls, a tennis ball does not fit under the cup. You will need something smaller like a lacrosse ball. A Mike Rogers baseball fits nicely. Here are the wooden mini compared to the Don Allen mini and TCC mini cups. The TCC mini cups take a 1-inch ball as a final load. The mini Don Allen takes a golf ball. These mini wood cups look larger than the TCC mini cups. However, a 1-inch working ball does not fit in the mini cup as a final load. Because the cups are made of wood, the base needs to be much thicker versus metal, resulting in the cups being shallower. If you use the 1-inch balls originally provided with the standard cups, the cups will float. This is a major issue if your routine requires you to stack the cups. The routine in the provided tutorial does not require stacking. It is even mentioned in the tutorial that the cups do not stack. I have since received the replacement balls that TCC promised in the Kickstarter campaign. These balls measure 19mm in diameter and fixes the floating issue. And now I have 4 extra sets of chop balls which I can use in my other chop cups. The strength of the gimmick is a little strong than what I am used to. Unlike the TCC leather cup, which I feel is the almost perfect strength that needs a much lighter touch to have the ball appear. You could of course replace the balls yourself with say the R&T Tools adjustable gimmick balls. Get the smaller 22mm or 7/8 inch magnetic balls. The working balls provided are red in colour. I feel that they do not contrast well with the orangey brown colour of the standard wooden cups. I would have preferred green or yellow, but it is not a problem to switch them out with a set in the colour of your choice. The red rubber piece, however, contrasts with the darker mini cups much better. The tutorial video you get is the same for both the standard and mini cups. The tutorial is only about 10 minutes long, it has no talking, and is just silent teaching with some background music. The tutorial goes through several moves with both the mini and the standard combo set, which you can then string together yourself to form your own routine. The moves taught are basically what you see in the trailer. The TCC Final Standard Wooden Cups were a decent set for $69 plus shipping during the Kickstarter campaign, but you have to judge for yourself if this is worth it for you at the retail price of $120. The mini set was $99 on Kickstarter and now retails for $180 and has even more limited use compared to the standard size in my opinion. However, being made of rosewood, they are more beautiful as a display set. So, should you get this, and who are they for? The original Kickstarter set had the floating issue with the balls provided. They have fixed this with the newer balls, however, I only got 4 of the newer smaller balls instead of the 8 provided initially with the Kickstarter set. The cups are light, do not ring, and are likely to crack if you would drop them on a hard surface. These are just the inherent disadvantages of a wooden set and not specific to the TCC Final Wooden Cups and Balls set. I do not really use a gimmick cup in my 3-cup routine. I also made some monkey fist balls in my preferred colour and the correct size that do not cause the cups to float. I am not too bothered about the floating issue, the ball colour and the stronger gimmick. However, it is quite disappointing and unfortunate. If you are just starting out with the cups and balls, a wooden set is not ideal as a first set of cups and balls, or even your second set. An aluminum set like the Murphy's aluminium cups and balls would suit your needs much better as a first set of cups and balls. If you need a wooden set of cups and balls for whatever reason, maybe you have a specific theme you are going for, these are perfectly usable. These cups have a different look compared to normal metal cups. Also, people may not expect magnets to stick to wood, if you know what I'm saying. I do like this, but a wooden set of cups is not everyone's cup of tea. In my opinion, they are more for novelty, display, collection, and very limited performance occasions. Thank you for watching. Check out my other cups and balls reviews and see you in the next video.